Today we're gonna see how to unlock a Verizon phone to use on another network. Firstly, before proceeding, ensure your phone meets Verizon's unlocking criteria. The phone must be fully paid off, the device must have been active for at least 60 days, and the account must be in a good standing situation. Firstly, you'll need to dial your phone's EMEI International Mobile Equipment Identity Number. Dial start #06 on your phone to display the EMEI, or go to Settings, About Phone, then find it. You have two ways to request an unlock. Dial star 611 from your Verizon phone or call 1-800-922-0204 and ask for a device unlock, then provide your EMEI number when requested. Or you can log into your Verizon, go to the devices section, select the phone you want to unlock, then click unlock device and follow the steps. Verizon will confirm your unlock request within 24 to 48 hours. Now insert a new SIM card, restart your phone to activate the unlock, and if you see invalid SIM or another error, contact your new carrier for activation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.